Come September, university students traveling to and from the University of Technology UTech and the University of the West Indies Mona will have a smoother, more reliable ride. More in this report. Board Director of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC, Owen Ellington, revealed during a press conference Thursday morning that the company will launch dedicated bus services to the two major tertiary campuses.
From communities such as Spanish Town, the entire Portmore region, and Old Harbour. And we have been asked to look even further west to provide services because there are many university students who travel from mid-country, Manchester, etc., to the campuses in the days.
But the university service is just one part of a bigger expansion plan. By the end of August, the JUTC intends to roll out rural express routes to Mandeville, Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, Negril, and Port Antonio, providing more options for long-distance commuters. To make this possible, the state-run company has received 30 new diesel-powered luxury coaches, which will serve both the university and premium express markets. Mr. Ellington says the move is not just about convenience, but also good economics.
It's our intention, if needs be, to actually take a coach on each of the campus on a Friday evening or a Saturday morning to remove these students to the bus center, transportation center in Halfway Tree so they can connect to the buses that are doing the rural express routes, travel home, visit family and friends, bring additional businesses to their rural communities for route taxis and minibuses as they shuttle them from parish capitals to villages and townships and then travel back safely on a Sunday evening.
The exact number of buses to be allocated to the university routes is still being finalized as the JUTC works with student guilds to determine demand.
We have asked the university guild bodies to assess the approximate number of students that would require the service from each of the major townships to campus in the early mornings, mid-mornings, and in the evenings. So once we get those numbers for them, we will allocate the buses providing the requisite number of seats.
And as for concerns about licensing of these extended routes, Mr. Ellington was quick to clear the air.
Before we commission a route, we apply to the Transport Authority for the requisite license. And so we get those licenses to project beyond the KMTR. And that, I'm sure, satisfies the compliance aspect of what we're doing.